Hello class, my name is Janina Ivaya and today we will be learning about lifespan changes. Aging. Aging refers to the changes in the body that occur with passage of time. It is a process of becoming mature or old, which is a part of life. As you can see on the photo, the woman slowly ages and you start to notice. When does aging occur? Aging occurs from conception on and has effects at the cell, tissue, organ, and organ system levels. One starts aging as soon as they are conceived. Programmed cell death begins in the fetus. Although programmed cell death begins in the fetus, we usually are not very aware of aging until the third decade of life. During the third decade of life, we typically notice a few gray hairs, faint lines on our faces, and minor joint stiffness. Also, during the third decade of life, female fertility begins to decline during this time. Fourth and the fifth decade. In both sexes, by the fourth or fifth decade, as hair color fades and skin wrinkles at the first sign of adult onset disorders may appear. Disorders that can appear within the fourth and fifth decade, such as elevated blood pressure, can one day become hypertension. They can also experience high blood glucose that can become type 2 diabetes. During the sixth decade of life, we will see grayer or whiter hair, deeper skin wrinkles, and low immunity. Many, if not most, people in their 60s and older have sharp minds. Many are capable of physical activities. Percentage of fats increase until about age 60 in men. Last but not least, centenarians. The fortunate ones who get to live more than 100 years old are called centenarians. They fall into three broad groups. About 20% of them never get the diseases that kill most people. 40% get the diseases, but at much older ages than average. And the other 40% live with and survive the more common disorders. Also, environmental factors are important too. One trait that they all have in common is that they never have smoked in life. And this concludes with the chapter. I hope you guys enjoyed this presentation.